Imagine drinking fresh guava juice. Behind every bottle, an incredible journey begins long before the first drop reaches your glass. Every year, millions of guavas travel thousands of kilometers before becoming the sweet, refreshing drink waiting inside supermarket refrigerators. But here's what nobody tells you. One damaged fruit can threaten an entire production batch worth thousands of dollars. Inside this factory, every second matters because fresh fruit begins losing quality almost immediately after harvesting. Think about this. A single production line can process over 20,000 kilograms of guavas every hour without stopping. The roar of motors, rushing water, and rolling conveyors creates a rhythm that never truly sleeps. The sweet aroma of ripe guavas fills the air, mixing with cool stainless steel and fresh mountain water. Most people never imagine how many scientific measurements protect the flavor inside every single bottle they enjoy. What happens next surprises even experienced engineers, because the journey actually starts far away from the factory gates. Our story begins in tropical orchards across India, Brazil, Mexico, Thailand, and South Africa, where premium guavas thrive. Farmers carefully monitor sunlight, rainfall, and soil nutrients for nearly 6 months before every harvest reaches perfect ripe. Premium guava weighs between 180 and 350 grams, with a natural sugar level of about 10 to 12 brix. Harvest begins before sunrise, when cooler temperatures help preserve natural flavor, aroma, and delicate fruit texture during careful picking. Every guava gets picked by hand, reducing bruises that could shorten shelf life or affect the juice's fresh tropical taste. Within 2 hours, refrigerated trucks cool the fruit to about 10 degrees Celsius, slowing natural ripening and preserving freshness. Some orchards sit hundreds of kilometers away, yet every shipment arrives within 24 hours to protect maximum fruit quality. At the factory gate, every shipment receives barcode tracking before inspectors even open the first transport container. Random fruit samples undergo pesticide screening, sweetness analysis, and visual inspection before the unloading process officially begins. Random fruit samples undergo pesticide screening, sweetness analysis, and visual inspection before the unloading process officially begins. Nothing goes to waste. Lower-grade guavas become puree, jam, animal feed, compost, or renewable biogas for cleaner energy. Even discarded leaves and branches often become natural compost, helping future orchards grow healthier with fewer synthetic fertilizers. Everything you've seen leads to one incredible moment, when thousands of perfectly selected guavas finally meet the production line. The factory finally comes alive as thousands of fresh guavas rush toward giant washing systems built to remove every trace of dirt. Fresh mountain water sprays at nearly 3 bar, while rotating brushes gently scrub every fruit for about 3 full minutes. An air knife blasts away excess water, leaving clean fruit perfectly prepared for the next precision processing stage. Next, high-speed optical cameras inspect every guava, rejecting bruised, cracked, or underripe fruit within milliseconds. Most people never realize these intelligent cameras inspect more than 20 fruits every single second with incredible accuracy. Now powerful crushers gently break the fruit into fragrant pulp, while protecting valuable flavor compounds from unnecessary heat damage. Inside stainless mills rotating around 1000 RPM, seeds separate while smooth pulp flows toward insulated processing tanks. The fresh pulp stays below 15 degrees Celsius, or 59 Fahrenheit, helping preserve natural aroma, color, and delicate nutrients. Next comes blending, where purified water, natural flavors, and carefully measured ingredients create the drink millions of people recognize. Computer-controlled mixers spin around 120 RPM, creating perfectly uniform juice in nearly 15 carefully monitored minutes. Then comes pasteurization, where juice quickly reaches 92 degrees Celsius, or 198 Fahrenheit, destroying harmful microorganisms. The heating lasts only about 30 seconds before rapid cooling locks in freshness, flavor, vibrant color, and nutritional quality. Thousands of perfectly cleaned bottles race toward precision filling machines at nearly 24,000 bottles every single hour. Servo-controlled filling valves dispense identical amounts of juice, keeping every bottle within just 2 milliliters of its target volume. Immediately afterward, Automatic capping heads tighten every lid with carefully measured torque to prevent leaks during global transportation. Fresh labels wrap around each bottle at incredible speed, carrying nutrition facts, batch numbers, and complete product traceability. Laser printers permanently mark every bottle with production time, expiration date, and unique tracking codes within milliseconds. Finally, robotic arms pack finished bottles into cartons before automated palletizers stack them for worldwide distribution. High-resolution AI vision cameras inspect every bottle for scratches, dents, label alignment, and even tiny air bubbles. High-resolution AI vision cameras inspect every bottle for scratches, dents, label alignment, and even tiny air bubbles. Sensitive laser sensors measure fill levels within 1 millimeter, rejecting any bottle outside strict production tolerances automatically. Factories often reject fewer than 3 bottles in every 10,000, proving how remarkably consistent modern production has become. Yet one final expert still examines random bottles by sight, smell, and taste before approving every production batch. Even with incredible automation, human experience remains the final safeguard protecting the flavor millions of people trust every day. Now every approved bottle faces another challenge, because transportation can be just as demanding as manufacturing itself. Automatic guided vehicles navigate using laser mapping, delivering heavy pallets without drivers while avoiding every obstacle with astonishing precision. Smart warehouse software records every pallet location in real time, making any individual bottle traceable within only a few seconds. Temperature sensors constantly protect every shipment, keeping storage between 4 and 8 degrees Celsius for maximum freshness. Some factories also monitor humidity around 60%, preventing labels from peeling and cartons from absorbing unwanted moisture. Before loading begins, engineers inspect pallet stability using automated vision systems that detect even tiny alignment errors. Only perfectly secured pallets move toward shipping docks, where powerful forklifts prepare them for trucks, trains, or ocean containers. Every departing shipment carries complete digital records, allowing manufacturers to trace its journey from orchard to supermarket shelf. But the biggest surprise isn't inside the factory anymore. It's the enormous worldwide demand waiting beyond those factory gates. Now the story becomes truly global, because guava juice travels across continents to satisfy millions of thirsty people every single day. Global fruit juice production reaches tens of billions of liters annually, with guava remaining one of the fastest-growing tropical juice categories. The worldwide fruit juice industry generates well over $100 billion annually, driven by growing demand for healthier beverages. India, Brazil, Mexico, Thailand, and Pakistan rank among the leading guava producers supplying both fresh fruit and juice manufacturers. Together, millions of farmers, drivers, engineers, scientists, and factory workers help deliver tropical flavors to families around the globe. 50 years ago, most guava juice relied on manual labor, but today's factories use robotics, sensors, and intelligent automation. Over the next decade, artificial intelligence will likely improve harvesting, quality control, energy efficiency, and production planning even further. Did you know one large factory can fill enough bottles every day to stretch for many kilometers if placed end to end? Did you know modern optical scanners inspect thousands of bottles every minute, far beyond the speed of human eyesight alone? And here's the biggest surprise. Every refreshing sip connects tropical farms, advanced science, skilled workers, and extraordinary engineering into one simple bottle. After an incredible journey across farms and factories, every bottle tells a story far richer than most people ever imagine. The next time you hold one of these in your hands, remember, it didn't just appear. It was born from the earth. Shaped by fire, perfected by technology, and approved by the strictest standards in the world. That's not just a product. That's a masterpiece of human engineering. If you want to go deeper into the hidden world of manufacturing, tell us in the comments what product you'd like to explore next. Like this video, subscribe to the channel,